So hello everyone and welcome back to the phenomenal session, which is none other than statistics. Maximum students, they feel statistics is one of the easiest chapter. With no doubt it is one of the easiest chapter, but you all have to agree with me that 90% of students, when they do statistics, they do wrong, they do incorrect, right? And they even neglect in this particular chapter. And also the most important also topic which I'm gonna say over here, that is statistics is one of the biggest weapon for your Icse class 10 semester 2 examination, right? If you people accomplish, if you people are completely thorough about all kind of statistics problem, definitely you can kill the question paper easily, and I can assure you 25 to 30 number of marks. How you people can keep 25 to 30 number of marks if you can only complete probability, statistics and coordinate geometry. The video which I have made before earlier, right, and the link has been given in the description box as well as I button. You people can watch it, right? And without making any delay, let us start with a statistic with a one shot, one of the easiest topic and one of the scoring chapters also, right? So statistics, as you know very well, statistics means it is all about averages, right? Taking all about the averages. Statistics means all about, I can say, average, I can say. And also statistics depend on the measure of central tendency. Statistics generally is all about derived into three types, which is known as a mean. Generally the symbol of a mean is known as x bar, right? And I am teaching very fast for the people. You can save your time as well as even I think the video gets shorter as can. Right, mean. And coming to the median symbol is all about m, right? And last is mode, which is all about represented z, which you don't need to do that, this all kind of symbol. But mean is very important. Mean symbol is x bar, and also mean is divided into three category, which is none other than direct mean method, or else you can say direct method, shortcut method you can say, and the other name of shortcut method also, which is none other than assumed mean method also, you can say people, assumed mean method, right? And at the end, step deviation method. Do you know one of the interesting things, step deviation method? This time Icse has reduced syllabus, in which Icse has recommended that you have to take it out the mean from out of three method, any one method you have to learn. Step deviation method, that means there are having three method of mean, only one method is suitable for it. कौन सा भी एक method पढ़ो और जाके एग्जाम में फोड़ कर आओ. I am not saying CISE reduced syllabus has been given a statement over there that you have to remember, you have to practice any kind of one method, but in this particular video I will be talking about two method, any two method, right? That is direct method I will be talking about, shortcut method I will be talking about, right? Median and mode also I will be talking in the particular details, right? So direct method, shortcut method, that means my dear most children, you prepare for only direct method. Direct method is one of the easiest method also to take it out the mean, and just samajh lo, kar practice me. If you want, you can do practice, and also I am recommending you do practice. It will be helping you in a higher standard. So shortcut method as well as assumed method, you just practice, and step deviation method we're gonna skip it, right? So let us understand mean. So for an example, as I can see a question over here from the book, for an example a question is given. Let us understand mean. The question, generally this type of question will not come, so easy questions, generally typical question gonna come. Which type of typical question gonna come, I will be letting you know over here, right? For an example, suppose x is given 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and f is given, which is none other than 4, 5, 3, 6, 2, right? And let me talk about this x. X is all about x, and f is all about frequency. X is all about mid value. What do you mean by mid value? I will be talking about mid values, class interval, everything I will be talking about. Grouped, ungrouped data also हम बात करेंगे. And in the childhood you might have read mean. Mean equals to sum of all observation. Sum of all observation divided by number of observation. You might have read in the childhood, divided by number of observation. My dear most children, please make a note, pause the video, do it, okay? And whatever the way I am teaching each and everything, you people can understand very well and better way, because I am teaching from the basic concept. Mean equals to summation of observation, summation of all observation divided by number of observation. That is all about averages. Just for an example, 2 3 5 6 7 8 का मीन निकालो, निकाल पाओगे? Yes. The suppose for how to find out mean of this, sum of all observation. Sum of all observation, sum का मतलब plus 3 to 5 5 10 16 16 16 and 23 23 31. For an example 8 से 14 15 15 से 21 21 से 26 26 29 31 upon how much it is given? 1 2 3 4 5 6 it is given. That is all over 5 point 240. Again it is coming 6, again something like that. That means the mean is 5.26. That means total I have done sum, then after 1 2 3 4 5 number of कितना number है? 3 6 number है, divided by 6. Similarly in the same way we have to find the mean. Generally what happened, my dear student, it is all about the data. It is given, raw data was given, but here something different it is given. It is given in the something different. So how to take it out the mean? We have to take it out the mean in only case of a direct method, right? Direct method, and also you can apply your step deviation, step deviation shortcut, any method you can apply, but direct method is one of the easiest method generally we used to do. That is mean is equals to, उसका formula क्या होता है? Direct method का formula, that is all about x bar equals to summation of fx by summation of f. Maximum teachers, they used to say summation of fi xi upon summation of fi. Even many people, the sigma also they used to say, right? Sigma, this is all about a sigma. Generally I am upgrade teacher, that's the reason I am talking about a summation. You people can say sigma, there is having no issue regarding it, right? So what I gonna say, summation of fi upon summation of f, summation of fx upon summation of f. Fx means what, my dear student? Let us understand the meaning of fx. Fx means you have to multiply this fx, because we have to take it on the mean. The question is asking find mean. How to find mean? Mean equals to summation of fx upon summation of f. F is all about a frequency, fx is all about f into x. That means frequency multiplication of x करना है. चलो करते fx करते f into x. 5 20, चलो 20 लगाता हूँ. 6 5 30 21, right? Then after what 48 18. That, oh, is it clear? Then after what I gonna do? I have to plus it. Generally कॉलम में करता हूँ, मगर मैं रो में करता, डजंट मैटर, राइट? सो 50 50 यहाँ पर होगा 71 71 79 119 119 137. I have got 137 upon what is the total number of frequency? The total number of frequency is 5 4 9 10 11 12 18 20. बात खत्म. Is it clear? चलो, that means that means how to do summation of fx equals to 137, and here is summation of f is equals to 20. Then after I gonna cut it. After having a calculation, you people will be getting the answer. What will be the answer? That is, let us cut it over. That is all about 6 1 1 16 8.5 आंसर मिलेगा इतना. Is it clear everyone? चलो next divide by 10 pa, divide by 10 na, 68.5 divided by 10, that is all about 6.85 is the answer. Is it clear? This is all about a direct method. Let us understand the step division method, shortcut method, and I'm gonna skip the step division method because this time ICC has only given a proposal. You have to do statistics only in only one method, which is none other than direct method. You can apply only one method, your wish, which method you are comfortable, but generally 99% students are comfortable in case of direct method. Let us understand very well. So let me erase this, right? Acha. And for more details, and also let me talk about, and if you have not joined the Telegram, my dear most children, you people can, because every notes I have been sharing over there, each and every notes coming starting from the chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology, MOV, Merchant of Venice, many more, right? So without making any delay, just join the Telegram. It will be definitely helpful to you all, right, to get all kind of benefits over there. Coming to the shortcut method. Shortcut method is also known as assuming method, right? चलो क्वेश्चन सवाल देखते हैं. सवाल में कैसे करते हैं बताता हूँ. चलो, suppose for an example it is given 65, it is given x, 65 to 69, 65 66 67 68 69, it is given f, it is given somehow f, it is given 8 6 4 4 3, 8 6 4 4 3 बात खत्म. Is it clear? So we have to take it out the mean. We can take it out the mean in case of direct method. We can take it out the mean in case of shortcut method. But I am letting you know how you people can find the shortcut method, which is none other than assuming method. So mean equals to a plus summation of fi di by upon summation of fi is the formula. I repeat, mean equals to a plus summation of fi di upon summation of fi. Now you might be talking about, so what do you mean by summation of fi di? D, let me have a stands for assumed. Assumed का मतलब probable. D का मतलब deviation. We're gonna talk about. So how to find out D? You have to find it out D in this way. D equals to a D equals to a minus x, I can say that, right? Is it okay? So D equals to x minus a. D equals to x minus a. Is it clear? D equals to x minus a. What is x minus a? Acha, let us now what to do in this way. You have to write let a be, a का मतलब assume mean, उसका middle term. Assume means middle term of x. चलो बहुत अच्छे से समझो. Just understand it pretty well. It is an x. Which one will be the middle term? देखो 1 2 3 4 5 number are there. 2 ऊपर से ले लो, 2 नीचे से ले लो, बचा कितना 67. Let a be 67. And where you have to take the assumption? There are many kind of students. Generally those who take a from the frequency. No, do not do that. This is a wrong. You have to take the a from x-axis only, right? So that is all about a 67 is the answer. Is it clear, my dear most student? Then after what you're gonna do? Let a be 67. Then what you're gonna do? D equals to x minus a. What is known as x? X is all about 65. See, x minus a. So x minus a, x is 65. This 65 is x minus 67. 65 minus 67 minus 2. D मिला minus 2. चलो यहाँ पर भी देखते हैं 66 minus 67 which is all about negative 1. 67 minus 67 is all about a 0. 68 minus 67 is all about a 1. 69 minus 67 is all about a 2. चलो, is it clear everyone? Please, my dear most children, confirm me in the comment box if you people can understand in a pretty well in method, and don't get worried. This is the one shot. In the next shot, another, I will be coming with the important direct PYQs questions. If possible, I will be letting you know. If not, I will be sending all kind of PDF in which you people can practice and you people can ask your doubts even though, right? जिसका maximum number of doubt निकला उसी problem को लेकर again I will be coming with the back in the stronger session again with the solution, right? D. So let us understand. See, D, we have got D. So what was the formula? FD, F and D. Let me do over here FD. Is it clear? चलो, let me have a calculation. 8 minus 2 minus 16 बना, minus 6 बना. 4 multiplication of 0, that is all of 4, that is all about 8. So having a summation of FD in the same way you're gonna do, because without process people gonna lose marks, and there are having many kind of students those who are gonna practice. Even I also made you practice that how to apply short tricks to find it out the answer, but this time it is not gonna work, right? Because this time is very important, and this time we have to write it down in case of complete process, right? Maximum students they even don't know. You have to apply any kind of one mean method, that is only direct. अगर कोई बच्चे को समझना है शॉर्टकट समझ सकते हो, समझो भी. अगर मीन अगर गलत निकल गया, अगर मीन तुम्हारे भेजे के अंदर घुसा नहीं तो ये वाला डाल दो, कोई बात नहीं. इज इट क्लियर? चलो, -22 अगेन यहाँ पर कुछ आता है 10, तो -12 बनेगा कुछ इस प्रकार. -12 आफ्टर हैविंग एडिशन you will be getting -12, and again what summation of fi. So I have got 8 से 14,000 8 से 14,000 18 22 3 25. चलो, so what I have got over here, that is a. The formula is all about a plus what is your a? I have got 67 plus summation of fi di, which is all about -12 upon 25. I have got, that is all about 67 plus into minus, which is all about minus 0.5 बनेगा, जो होगा 66.5 is the answer. Is it clear everyone? This is all about a assuming method. Let me have a recap over there. The assuming method are the method, you can say it is a step deviation method, shortcut method, and the formula is mean equals to a plus summation of fi di upon summation of fi. A क्या होता है ना? assuming. Assuming कहाँ लेना है बटा? तुम्हें लेना है x जगह में. You have to take the place of an x and never take in the place of f. Maximum people are there, generally those who take f x का मतलब मिड वैल्यू, मास्टर तो बोला है ये वाला लेते हैं. चलो, इज इट क्लियर? चलो, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू टेक द x वैल्यू. 5 numbers are there, 1 2 3 4 5 are there. Out of the 5 I have taken only one method. 5 का मिडिल टर्म क्या होता है ना, 67 लग गया, राइट. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, सपोज 70 होगा यहाँ पर, फॉर एन 70 है. हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर? 6 टर्म्स आर देयर. नाउ यू पीपल विल गेट कंफ्यूज, सर 6 टर्म्स आर देयर, क्या लेना है? तो इसका मिडिल टर्म कहीं ना कहीं 67 और 68 होता है. एनी वन यू कैन टेक, देयर इज हैविंग नॉट अ सिंगल ऑब्जेक्शन. एनी वन, 67 भी तुम एज्यूम ले सकते हो, 68 भी ले सकते हो, अगर इवन में होगा तो. If there will be having in case of even, so if there will be having odd, you can definitely find the middle term. Is it clear everyone? चलो. Then after fi di you have to take it out. D equals to x minus a minus x मत करना, थोड़ा सा पहले हम कर लिए थे a minus x. No, that is wrong. X minus a. D equals to x minus a. Which one is the x? This one is the x, a which you have got from the x. 67. So 65 minus 67 is all about minus 2. After everything you have got. Then after fd, how you have done in case of direct method? Summation of fx equals to fx, in which here you have to do fd. d stands for deviation. f into d, 8 गुना 16 कुछ इस प्रकार का मिला के minus 12 मिला. then after a plus assume mean 67 plus minus 12 plus 25 is equal to 66.15. is it clear everyone? Step deviation I am omitting because this time you have no use. Coming, let me do a couple of questions more. Couple of questions, is it there? Yes, it is there. A couple of questions. See, couple of questions are a very good number of questions. Let me have, suppose for an example, yes, very easy. For an example, a question is there. A question is there. Suppose CI is there. Do you know the meaning of CI? Which is none other than class interval. Class interval दिया है. चलो कुछ class interval दिया है क्या बच्चों? 0-20 it is given. 0-20 से लेकर 100 तो 20-40. Everyone just write it down the question. Do practice with me. Do practice with me. You people can understand pretty well. Come on, write it down as soon as possible. Frequency is given. What is the frequency is given? 7 p 10 9 13. 7 p 10 9 13. And here is saying that mean is given 54. Where it is given? In the question it is given. In the question it is given, and he is saying that find the value of p. Can we find it out? Yes, we can find it out pretty well. Do you know how can you find it out? That means, and how can you find it out? Now you people will be saying, sir, we can do the assume method, we can do shortcut method, or we can do direct method. You can do both the method. You can do even step deviation method. But I would like to recommend you have to do in a direct method. Why? Direct method is very easy, right? अगर तुम टमाटर काट सकते हो चाकू से, नाइफ से, तो तुम्हें तलवार का क्यों यूज करना है? That is all about x bar equal to summation of fx by summation of f. Now you might be saying that, sir, it is a class interval, it is given. How can we find it out x? You have to find it out x. Class interval is all about generally that you have to take the average of this. Average means ci equals to class interval equals to lower limit plus upper limit by 2. बचपन से पढ़े हो. ci equals to lower limit lm plus upper limit ul. lower limit ll plus upper limit by 2. lower limit 0 plus upper limit 20 by 2 10. तो उसका मिड वैल्यू निकाल दो. इन द अदर नेम यू कैन से मिड टर्म x का मिड टर्म कितना होगा? 0 और 20 का 10 होगा 30, 50, 70, 90. बात खत्म. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ समेशन ऑफ fx. लेट अस डू समेशन ऑफ fx. That is 10 into 7 into 10 70. यहाँ पर देखो थोड़ा गड़बड़ है. यहाँ पर p is given ना, 30 is given. What you gonna do? 30p. Very interesting. Please understand this pretty well. Very important. ऐसे टाइप का सवाल आता है, एग्जाम में. And whatever I told before, they are not going to come in your exam. You don't ever think that easy question Icse is gonna ask. No. You people will getting this type of problem, right? 10 50 500 बना यहाँ पर 9 7 630 and over here is 1170 is the answer, right? अच्छा, what is the formula? Summation of fx. You're gonna plus it, you're gonna add it. Let us add. अच्छा, 1170 1200 1800 1800 2300 2370p. Let me have another thing. Recap. कितना हुआ? 12 18 22 के 2370 2370 plus 30p Okay, see, I have not added these 30p. 30p what? I have taken a different, right? I have taken 30p different, and I have written only 2370. And after I have to add the frequency also. Let me add it out. 13 plus 22, 22, 22, 32, 39, 39 plus p. 39 plus p I have written over here. So let us understand mean is given. What is the mean is given in the question, that is 54. As I said it a little bit earlier, 54 is given in the mean. So I can directly say 54 equals to summation of fx. Which one is the summation of fx? I have written over here. That is 2370 plus 30p upon, what did I get? 39 plus p. Chalo. Then after I have to take this, in case of LHS, so I will be getting 54 into 39, right? 39 plus 54, what? P equals to 2370 plus 30p. Chalo. 54, chalo. Let me have multiplication of the 54. 54, 15, 15 baat 1620 यहाँ पर 936 0 936 6 3 9 45 51 कितना हुआ बात? 3 6 11 1 2 1 3 6. चलो अब देखते हैं क्या होता है. 2 1 3 6. So I have to take it out, and I have got over 14p 24p, right? 24p equals to 2370 minus 2136. कुछ इस प्रकार का मिला. 36 46 56 66 30 34 and over here is 234 divided by 24. Something I will be getting what? गलत हो गया क्या? Something I will be getting 2370, right? 2136 2236 224 निकलेगा. 46 56 66. Yeah, something I will be getting. Let him 9 I will be getting that. 9 होगा शायद 9. Let me check answer little bit, my dear student. Please wait. Where it was? 24b. 11 it is. 11. Yeah. 64, right? 240. Yeah. 11. 64 I can say that. 240 ये होगा 240 64 11. So p equals to 11. Is it clear, everyone? So these are the things. This type of problem you're gonna do it. Another coming, after having a mean, let us start with a very interesting, which is none other than median. Median is very important. Median. So please note it down as soon as possible. And which kind of problem you have to generally the CISE gonna ask this type of problem. Suppose class interval would be there, f would be there, और f1 दिया होगा, f2 दिया होगा. Suppose यहाँ का वैल्यू p दिया है ना, p will be there, p2 will be there. This type प्रॉब्लम आएगा. एंड ऐसे प्रकार का क्वेश्चन है तुम्हारे एग्जाम्पल में. ML अग्रवाल, Concise, अदर बुक, RS अग्रवाल, even many more books are there, right? You people can do it in a pretty well in method, right? Coming to the median, let me have a erase of this median. Do you know the meaning of a median? Median is all about a middle term. Median is all about a middle term. It's very important. Median is all about a middle term. See, what happens generally in case of median? Median is all about a middle term. Median is all about a middle term. I can say that middle term. And always your first priority, you have to arrange the median in case of ascending or a descending order. Always you have to arrange the data in case of ascending order or else in case of descending order. But generally all the teachers, students, they used to do in case of ascending order. करे आ रहे हैं उसका मतलब नहीं अगर तुम डिसेंडिंग करोगे गलत हो जाएगा ना. असेंडिंग करो ठीक होगा, कोई बात नहीं. इज इट क्लियर? अच्छा, मीडियन मीन्स सपोज फॉर एन एग्जांपल 2 4 6 8 7 8. If I ask you which one is the median, you can say, oh, the median is this is the median. So but in case of this is not a median. अगर कुछ बात अलग है, बड़े बच्चे हो गए ना, जैसे तो छोटे बच्चे करते हैं. Median is a middle term. If suppose for an example a question is given, good question, let me take. Suppose a median is given 7 12 15 6 20 8 4 and 10. Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness. All right. So let me take another example. 7 12 15 6 20 8, 15 6 20 8, 4 and 10, 4 and 10. I will be talking about find a median. Can you find it out the median? Find the median. You people can say yes sir, we can find the median very well. How can you find the median? Jaldi pause karo, answer nikalo. If you might be knowing ascending order, let us what did I say before? In case of median, you first priority to make an ascending order. Let us make an ascending order. सबसे छोटा 4, हाँ छोटा 4 6 8 10 7 भूल गया यहाँ पर 7 8 10 12 15 20. How many observations are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Done. Is it clear? Now what to do? Median. Median is first most priority in case of median. Little bit earlier, let me have median equals to, if there will be having a number of observation. Number of observation मतलब इसका जो गिनती होता है, कितना नंबर होता है? देखो यहाँ पर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 observation are the total number of observation as given 8. Remember one thing, if the observation is in a case of even number, right my dear most children, if the observation is in case of even number, you have to do n by 2th term, n upon 2th term, और उसको भी करना कुछ इस प्रकार का n upon 2 plus 1th term. Is it clear? These are the things you're gonna do. अगर odd में है, सपोज 8 के जगह 7 होता तो क्या करना पड़ता है? यहाँ पर तुम्हें कुछ इस प्रकार करना पड़ता है, n plus 1 by 2th term. These are the things you have to memorize it, you have to learn it, you have to practice it randomly. Let us understand what is given. N is 8 is given, my dear most children. So 8 is even number, so even number n upon 2 करते. n upon 2 का मतलब क्या? 8 बट्टा 2 क्या होता? 4th टर्म हो गया 4. यहाँ पर क्या? n by 2, so n by 2 plus 1, that is all about 8 by 2 plus 1 4, तो 5 5th टर्म हो गया, 5th टर्म. So see the 4th term, and उसके क्या होता है? Divided by 2 होता है, and it is all about divided by 2, right? So see, let us calculate, let us count it. 1 2 3 4. Which one is given? 8. 4th term में क्या है बेटा? 8 है. चलो 4 के जगह में लिखता हूँ 8. Is it clear? 10th के जगह में क्या है बेटा? 5th term is given. 5th term is 10 plus 10 upon 2 in case of median. So 8 plus 10 18 by 10 is no. तो median कितना होगा बेटा? यहाँ पर median is 9. Did you understand? So let me have a recap. N equals to 8. N equals to 8 is all about a number of observation. If the number of observation in case of even, you have to apply this kind of formula, which is all about n upon 2th term, or else you can put n upon 2 plus 1th term. Is it clear? Chalo n upon 2 and or नहीं and करना plus. What you gonna do? N by 2 8 बट्टा 2 4, 4th term निकलेगा, 4th term plus यहाँ पर कितना होगा बच्चों? That is all about n plus 1th term, n plus 1 term, that is 4 by 2, 8 by 2 4 plus 1, 5th term. उसका एवरेज करना है. 5th का एवरेज कितना? एवरेज इज ऑल अबाउट 2. Then after what you gonna do? Then after you have to take it 4th term 5th term by 2. 4th term का देखा है काउंट 1 2 3 4 8 प्लस 10 बट्टा 2 18 बट्टा 2 विच इज बट्टा 9. द मीडियन इज 9. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? लेट अस टेक. थोड़ी ना हमेशा ऐसे आएगा, ऐसे इजी में थोड़ी ना सवाल आते हैं, सवाल कुछ डिफिकल्ट में आएगा. लेट अस डू डिफिकल्ट टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. अच्छा डिफिकल्ट टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज, अच्छा वन मोर थिंग आई हैव लेफ्ट टू से. No, nothing I have left, everything I have said. I think the session is really interesting. I'm loving the session. I hope you are also. If yes, do comment right there. Don't miss to comment right there. If you are people, you are getting understanding pretty well, you have to loyal to me and you have to comment right there, because हमें भी तो पता चले कौन कितना वीडियो देखता है, कहाँ से क्या देखता है. होमवर्क भी देंगे, and in every video I used to give homework. This time also homework will be there for you all, right? So for an example, another question is given. For an example, another question is given, right? Suppose x is given, f is given. 46 से 55. Oh, 46, 48, 50, 52, 53, 50, 52, 53, 54, 55. If I'm not wrong, yeah. Frequency is given, my dear most children. 7 5 8 12. 7 5 8 12. 10 2 1. 10 2 1. अच्छा, and he is saying that find median. Can you find? Yes, median is very easy, right? Yes, find median. How can you find the median? Median is very easy. You can find the median, and remember, in case of median, as I said very well, that you have to arrange everything in an ascending and descending order. Is it clear? But now you cannot arrange ascending and descending order because everything is given in the tabulate formula, right? Everything is given in the tabulate data. वहाँ पर रो डेटा था. रो डेटा मतलब कंसिक्वेंस का सीरीज में था. यहाँ पर सीरीज में नहीं है. वहाँ पर सीरीज में था. That's the reason you people can convert into ascending or descending order. You people can take it out median. But here no. Here is given something different. Then what you gonna say? If there is having something in this way, you have to find CF. CF stands for cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Is it clear, everyone? Cumulative frequency. If you don't know cumulative frequency, let's सीखते हैं ना. सीखते हैं. 7 7 4 11 12. 7 is given. 7 plus. Then what you gonna do? 7. Again you have to add this. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 8 20. 20 plus 12 32. 32 plus 10 42. 42 plus 2 44. 44 plus 1 45. Is it clear, everyone? Let me have a recap of once again. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 8 20. 20 plus 12 32. 32 plus 10 42. 42 plus 2 44. 44 plus 1 45. And the most important, do you know what? Which you don't know even. यहाँ का अगर 45 है तो यहाँ का इस सम भी 45 होगा. सम का मतलब ऐड करोगे 45 होगा. अगर गलती हुआ तो तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा you have done some of the mistake in case of addition. Let us have a check, recheck of it. 7 4 11 12 12 8 20 20 32 32 10 42 44 1 45. I am also correct. You people are also looking after correct information. So how to do now? As I said earlier, 45 is given. Number of observation n equals to 45. That means what? It is an odd term. It is an odd term. That means odd. Odd का मतलब n plus 1/2th term होता है बेटा. Sorry. चलो 45 plus 1 46/2 2th term 23rd term होता है. 23rd term होता है. Is it clear? अच्छा 23rd term. Now it is all about 23rd term. My dear most children, 23rd term is 23rd term. कहाँ पर आता है? Cumulative. Then after your first priority, you have to see cumulative frequency. देखो cumulative frequency 23rd कहाँ पे आता है? 23 कहाँ पे आता है? 23 कहाँ पर आता है? देखो cumulative frequency 23 is coming between this and this. 20 और 32 के अंदर 23 आता है. 20 and 32 in which in middle 23 generally comes. So अगर कुछ नहीं दिया है तो क्या करना? उसके साइड वाला x को पकड़ लो. 52 is the answer of a median. Is it clear? I am talking about a graph also. ग्राफ भी करेंगे, बहुत जबरदस्त करेंगे, बोबाल करेंगे, टेंशन मत लो. Just another, let us understand the graph वाला part, right? अच्छा, graph वाला part is all about. Let me have image of this graph वाला part. CI is given. CI का मतलब class interval 0 10 10 20 10 20 10 20 20 30 30 40 40 50 50 60. No, 50 60 is not. 40 50 is given. F is given 5 7 10 8 5 5 7 10 8 5 if I am not wrong. 8 5. Yes. चलो CF, can I find it out? CF, yes. 5 12 22 30 35. So summation of F is all about a 35. Over here is also about 35. I have got. Is it clear? 35, everyone. Now the topic is all about 35 means what, my dear most children? 35 n. So I have got over here 35 plus 1/2. Do you know how? Because odd term n plus 1/2, 35 is an odd. You have to put this kind of formula, which is none other than 36/2 18 term. 18th term. 18th term मतलब कहीं इस प्रकार में, कहीं यहाँ पर लाई करेगा, इस अंदर लाई करेगा. Now the topic is all about, here is saying that find median with the help of graph. Question is with the help of graph. Question ऐसे बोला होगा with the help of graph. Now you might be very shocked. अरे यार ग्राफ में कैसे करें? How you people will be doing in the graph? Don't get panic about that. Don't get panic about that. I can assure you 80% students don't know this. 80% students don't know this, which I will be letting you know after a couple of seconds. That is, हो गया होगा couple of seconds. See, how to plot a graph. how to plot a graph. You don't know x-axis, you don't know f, you don't know frequency, you don't know x-axis, but how you people can plot a graph? You people can plot a graph something in this way. In this way मतलब देखो, see, CI is all about class interval. 0 to 10 is all about what? I can say 0 to 10 is all about class interval. So first you have to take upper limit. Which one is the upper limit of 0 to 10? 10 is the upper limit. Graphing point. ग्राफ प्लॉट क्या बनेगा? 10 क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में देखो 5, 10, 5. अगेन कमिंग लोअर 20, अपर लिमिट इज 20, अगेन 20 क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 12. फिर देखो 30, 22. देन आफ्टर यू सी I have to take it on median. I have not got median yet. I have to take it on median with the help of graph, right? Graph paper will be given there. Then after 40, 30, then after 50, 35, baat khatam. What are you gonna do now? You have got this graphing point. You have got graphing plot. In case of coordinate geometry, you might be knowing. पहला नंबर x axis होता है. चलो कुछ ग्राफ बनाते हैं. टेढ़ा बना, सीधा बनाते. चलो रुको. सीधा. 10, 5. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So first what is given? Cumulative frequency 5, 12. What ना कुछ assume करता हूँ. 5 बना, 10 बना, 15 बना, 20 बना, 25, 30, 35. So I am taking as assume method, right? People, you have to do in a graph. Graph में करोगे ठीक ठाक लगेगा, right? चलो, now what? I have to plot a graph. How shall I plot a graph? देखो 10 में 5 है, 10 में 5 है, बिंदी लगाता हूँ 10 में 5. 20, 12, again one bindi over here. Another is 30, 22, 30, 22, another one bindi would be here. 40, 30, 40 and 30 would be bindi over here, and the 50 is 35 bindis here. So let us take this in this way. I am having many teda meda is going on, right? People don't take such thing. Now the topic is all about what? Now 35 is gone. We have got 35 is the numerator. What we have got 35? We have got 35 as the frequency. That means which what would be the middle term? N plus 1 by 2, 35 plus 1, 36 बटा 2, 18 टर्म मिलेगा. That means my dear student, you have to see 18. You have to see 18 in case of x-axis, sorry, y-axis. 18 कहाँ है y-axis में? बता देखो 5, 10, 15, 18 कुछ यहाँ पर हो रहा है ना बच्चों? 18 कुछ यहाँ पर हो रहा है 18. For an example, 18 ना, where 35 is the frequency, 35 is an odd number, n plus 1 by 2, 2th term. 35 plus 1 by 2, 36 by 2, which is all of 18th term na. So 18 something I am getting here. So पूरा what you do, how to find out median? क्या करना? एक पूरा एक लंबा परपेंडिकुलर गार डालो यहाँ पर, उसके बाद ड्रॉप करना. You have to drop it. You have to drop it. Come on, you have to drop perpendicular to it. I have dropped here. यहाँ का मतलब यहाँ पर मीडियन कितना निकलेगा पता? कुछ इस प्रकार चला. मीडियन कुछ, let me see whether I'm correct or not. 20 to 30 ना. I don't have graph, that's the reason हमारा को 19-20 हो रहा है. ग्राफ में करोगे ठीक आंसर निकलेगा. करीबन 23 तक हो रहा है. आंसर देखते हैं क्या होता है. इसका आंसर क्या है? Oh shit, 27 is given. So you people can understand. 27, करीबन 27 is the answer. Is it clear? Did you understand? What? Now 18 term would be there. You have to see the 18 कहाँ पर है? 18 you have to see the x-axis, y-axis. 18 में जाओ y-axis, एक लंबा गार डालो. You have to put a line complete straight so that this line ogive, एक सो बोलते ogive, right? O-G-I-V ogive होता है लिखने में, बोलने में ogive ने ogive you can say ogive, right? Ogive भी ठीक होता है, ogive भी ठीक होता है. You have to put, and after that you have to drop. Once it get touch over here ना, you have to drop a point perpendicular. कुछ इस प्रकार 27 होगा median. Is it clear? I think median is clear to you, right? सपोज कुछ इस प्रकार का 18 नहीं. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल सपोज यहाँ पर कुछ मिलता 28 मिलता. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल 28, 27 मिलता. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल 27 वुड बी देयर, दैट इज मिडिल टर्म. व्हाट यू गोना से? ऊपर चलो 27 पे यहाँ पर अगेन वन परपेंडिकुलर, यू हैव टू ड्रॉप इट. समथिंग यहाँ पर कुछ मिलता. यहाँ पर कुछ 35 36 around 35 36 you would have got median. Is it clear everyone, my dear student? You people can do, don't get worried. Again I will be coming in the important question series, right? Median over, coming with the quartile. Quartile is very interesting, right? And quartile से पता है, shall I say very important thing, quartile से हमेशा एक नंबर का मार्क गिरता है. At this time also you people will be getting complete as sure, guarantee. This time you people will be getting 1 mark or question. Now you might be saying 1 mark is not there in our syllabus, sorry, in our question pattern. It is there in case of MCQ, and you people can do it. Quartile, let us understand quartile. Quartile is very interesting. Quartile, you might be knowing about 100%. Is it clear? Do you know about 100%? Yes. 100%, if I divide 100% divided 4 times, what will get in 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. When Virat Kohli goes to play cricket, generally अगर वो 25 लगाता है उसको पहले बोलते थे I am talking about 19th century. In case of 19th century, if a batsman hit 25, we say quarter century. If a batsman hit 50, we say half century. Yet also we are saying half century. If a batsman hit 75, that is third quarter century. If a batsman hit 100, now also we are saying it is a century. Is it clear? So 75 is almost 75 से क्वार्टर का मतलब अगर मैं 25 by 100 करूं कुछ मुझे मिलेगा 1/4. That is known as a quarter. This is known as a quarter. What it is known as a quarter? Which kind of quarter? Lower quarter. Which kind of quarter, my dear student? Lower quarter. Intermediate quarter बाद में करता हूं. It is a full quarter, half quarter, and it is a upper quarter. What is an upper quarter? How can you get it upper quarter? If I will do 75 by 100, which I will be getting 3/4. Is it clear? अच्छा, for an example, I am having a circle. If I will say 3/4 तुम्हारा, 1/4 मेरा, मतलब ये वाला तुम्हारा, ये वाला मेरा. That means तुम्हारा is the upper quartile. That is just 3/4. Is it clear? अच्छा. And mine is lower quartile. This is 1/4. Coming upper quartile, lower quartile. Quartile I have got upper quartile, lower quartile. Upper quartile is known as Q1. Sorry, lower quartile is known as Q1. Upper quartile is known as Q3. Is it clear? अगर मैं पूछूं intermediate quartile क्या होगा? Intermediate quartile. What do you mean by intermediate quartile? You people can say the intermediate quartile equals to Q3 minus Q1. Upper quartile minus lower quartile equals to intermediate quartile. Or else you can say Q3 minus Q1. कैसे? सवाल करेंगे, समझोगे अच्छे से. अच्छा. As I said in my median, little bit median, just let me take you. In case of median, what did I say before? I said the number of observations will be in case of even. You have to do n upon 2 and n upon 2 plus 1. Similarly, अगर lower quartile even होगा, तो मैं क्या करना पड़ेगा? n/4. Little bit earlier I said 1/4. That is all of n/4th term करना पड़ेगा. Is it clear? If it will be odd, what are you gonna do? n/4th term also, and also you have to do n/4 plus 1th term. Is it clear? No. It is little bit mistaken I have done. I'm sorry for that. I apologize for that. Is it clear for even 1/4th term? In case of odd, what are you gonna do in case of odd? In case of odd of n, what I'm talking about? In case of odd, what are you gonna do in case of odd? I'm gonna say n plus 1/4th term. In case of odd, I'm talking about lower quartile. N plus 1/4. I'm talking about lower quartile. Coming to the quartile, Q3 upper quartile is all about upper quartile means Q3 का क्या होता है? अगर even में है, if there is having an even observation, what are you gonna do? 3n/4th term. There will be having even, and after what you gonna do in case of odd? If it would be there in case of odd, similarly 3 into n plus 1/4th term. आई चमका थोड़ा इस बार, चमक गया होगा. अरे ऐसे क्या हो गया? राइट, 3 into n plus 1/4, 1/4th term. कैसे बताता हूँ? Interquartile Q3 minus Q1. Let us do a couple of problems. You people can do it. Understand? Let me rest. You people have made the note. Pause the video. Make the note. I think you have completed. So, all right. So, Let me take a couple of questions. You people can complete a thought. Very easy one. Very easy. It's very easier than median. Let us understand. Mode तो पूरा easy आने वाला है. देखो. An example is there. Lower quartile. You have to take it out Q1. You have to take it out Q3, and you have to get it out intermediate quartile. चलो. A question is given. What is the question is given? 9, 11, 15, 19, 17, 3, 7. Remember always how you have done median. Somehow quartile is also same. Median you have to arrange all kinds of data in case of ascending or descending. Here also you have to arrange all kinds of data in case of ascending and descending, but I am arranging everything in case of ascending order. Let me have an arrangement of an ascending order, that is all about 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Ascending order. Is it clear? If I ask you how many times it became, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 term it became. If I ask you find Q1, can you find it out? Yes. 7 term it became. 7 matlab odd. What was the formula? N plus 1 by term. N plus 1 by 4. That means 8 by 4 second term. Which one is the second term? That is a 9. So 9 is Q1. Q1 9. Q3 nikalo. Q3 is odd. It is an odd. What was the formula in case of odd? 3 into n plus 1 by 4th term. That is about 3 into n. What did it become? 8. N plus 1. 7 plus 1. 8. 8 into 3. 24 by 4. Which is all about a 6th term. 6th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 17. Intermediate quartile is IQ equals to Q3 minus Q1. Which one is the Q3? Q3 हमेशा Q1 से बड़ा होता है. Remember this. 17 minus 9. कुछ इस प्रकार का ना 7 1 8 is the answer. IQ equals to 8. Intermediate quartile is all about 8. Is it clear? Is it clear everyone? But now the people will be saying, sir, how can we find it out in case of graphical part? Graph में कैसे करोगे? Graph में भी very easy होता है. Graph people. Graph I will be talking about later on in case of graph. In case of graph is very easy like median. It's very easy like median. Please go through it and I will be coming in. If you are having any kind of issues, comment there. Comments or please make a video of quartile. It is very easy. You people can do it. I hope you can do it very well. Nothing is there. Nothing is there more. Coming to the mode. Generally in case of CBSE एक formula लगता है बहुत लंबा चौड़ा. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. But here not a single formula is there, but you have to take it out mode. How? Suppose histograph would be there, right? Suppose कुछ इस प्रकार का दिया होगा. In this way it would be given, right? In this way it would be given. In this way it would be given. You have to find the mode. How can you find the mode? Remember always in case of mode, it is a very short trick I'm going to talk about. The longest rectangle. Suppose let me take an given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. The longest tower, जो longest rectangle कौन सा होता है? longest rectangle बताओ. इसमें G होगा longest rectangle. G होगा longest rectangle. My dear most children, longest rectangle से चलो एक करता हूँ. रुको. Just a second. Longest rectangle. See, G is known as longest rectangle. How to find out the mode? Mode means more. Let me talk about mode means more. Highest frequency. Suppose 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I ask you which one is the mode over here, you can say 2 is the mode because जो सबसे ज़्यादा है. 4 बार 2 है, 3 बार 3 है, 4 one time, 5 one time, 6 one time, 7 is almost 2 times. Is it clear? But how you can find the mode here? See, the longest rectangle. Which one is the longest rectangle? G. What you have to do? पूरा diagonally line तुम्हें draw करना है. कहाँ से? ये वाला point is given. This point is given. See this point. This point is given. Another this point is also given. You have to draw a line diagonally. Diagonally मतलब मैं कुछ इस प्रकार का line करता हूँ. रुको यार. Is it clear? Another also. यहाँ पर कुछ diagonally करता हूँ कुछ मिलने के लिए. यहाँ पर अरे गलती हो गया यार. Is it clear? The mid point जहां पर intersect हुआ बेटा, ये वाला, वहां से एक ड्रॉप करो perpendicular, that is known as median. This is known as mode. This is known as mode. Perpendicular you're gonna drop. At drop, which one is the perpendicular? The perpendicular you're gonna drop. That is known as a mode. Is it clear? For an example, another is given in this way. Side wala, you have to take a side wala. Suppose longest is this A, B, C, D, C, D, E. Which one is the B is the mode? And here what you gonna do? Longest rectangle is a B. You have to take it something here. You have to take it something here. बीच में intersect करा, ये वाला होगा mode. This is the statistics coming stronger in the histograph. I hope the statistics you have completed each and everything. You have accomplished all kind of formula. You have accomplished all kind of fundamental concept, my dear student. Where is my marker cap? I was no, it's not there. All right. So I hope this session is really helpful to you. If you have not joined the Telegram, do join over there, because I have been sending a lots of notes, important notes, toppers note, I can say the important question notes also I'm saying I will be sending in the future ahead, right? And don't get bother about in case of mathematics portion. Each and every scenario I will be completing, each and every chapter I will be completing, and you people have to comment there if you people can understand pretty well and better, and you have to comment right there so that I can able to know how punctual you people are in case of videos and all. I hope the session is really interesting for you all people, and thank you very much for all kind of supports and love and supports. Cheers, God bless.